gonna shoot a video for you guys, which is probably the most requested video in my channel right now, and that is the college essentials second part, in which I tell you guys what you should carry or what I have been carrying for the past 3 years in my college backpack. First thing, college backpack should be something that is reasonable. I know that I am a bag hoarder. I have something around 7 million bags, and I'm not exaggerating, it is huge. I am a huge hoarder of bags. In the first semester, I used to fashion my wardrobe and my bag previous night, but from the next semester I actually realized that I have to take a reasonable bag because of the weather and the amount of things I have to carry on my bag and all those stuff. So from then I have been taking this backpack. This is a backpack I've bought from Darjeeling. This is made from parachute cloth, so it is rainproof and waterproof, and in Kolkata's climate you really need something that is water and rain resistant because you never know when it's gonna pour on you. So getting on with the things I have in my bag, there is a front pocket, and in there are the most essential things I have to, and I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is my library card and my iCard. You always need to carry your iCard with you because you never know you need it, and library cards are for those days when you have an internal coming up and you really need to get those notes photocopied from the library. So for those situations, the library card, and I have it in a clear plastic bag just because to give it extra protection, because at the end of your graduation you are gonna need those library cards, so you have to take good care of it. And as I wear lenses on a mostly daily basis, I have my extra lens case and an eye lens solution in my bag all the time. It is without doubt I will be having a lens case and lens solution. Then I have got a pen. You're going to college, you need the pen. A comb, which I never actually use because I'm not that kind of person who actually combs their hair. I actually don't even comb my hair when I am at house or home, so combing my hair in college is not my kind of thing, but you really need a comb for those days. And there is also a compact in here. This is just the Maybelline Clear Glow All-in-One Compact. I really like to carry this compact because it has a big mirror and there is a sponge with the product. I have just washed the sponge, that's why it's not in here, but you have a sponge too. So the on-the-go blotting and everything and touch-ups is in here. So that's a compact thing for you. Headphones for on the road. Clutcher. Of course, everyone knows the use of a clutcher. You never know when you need to put your hair up, so clutcher. And another thing which is very important for me is a small vial of perfume. I always carry a vial of perfume because by the end of the day I stink, seriously stink, because I sweat like a pig, and a perfume is a must for me. This is, I guess, yeah, the Peter Quartz perfume by Oriflame. I got a set of 3, so I always have one of them in my bag, and they're very sturdy, so carrying them is not a problem. So the front pocket is done. There is only one other division in the bag, which the chain I can't find. There is only one other division in the bag. You can get bags with more divisions, but it's only a one division for me. So the most important thing is water. You have to carry a bottle of water. I usually carry a 500 ml bottle. You can always carry a 1 liter bottle. I carry this because I just fill it in with water from my university itself. Because keeping yourself hydrated is a must. Next thing, some sanitary napkins or pads, or if you use tampons, then tampons. You never know when that time of the month just arrives on you and you want to be secure and ready to face it. And you can also get these packets. I always get a large number of samples to try on when I visit a mall or anything, and I save these packets because they are individually packed, so it's secure in your bag. And I always save these for my college backpacks because they are much more sanitary and it's much more easier to carry it in your bag. So sanitary napkins are a must. An umbrella. This is a two-fold umbrella which is handy. You always need an umbrella to protect yourself from the sun and the unofficial downpour that you may just experience. So an umbrella, and along with it a plastic bag to take the wet umbrella with you, because I don't usually put my umbrella to dry out in my university because I just may be forgetful, as I am always, and forget about the umbrella, and I really don't want to lose this umbrella. So that's why I just keep the wet umbrella packed in my plastic bag, come home and then let it out dry. So these two things are a must, at least in Kolkata weather. Duh. Then there is my wallet. It is fat just because it has got loads of papers in it, and you need a lot of spare change to carry with you because the auto walas and bus walas are not gonna give you any change. Then you need to carry an iCard with you. I have this Aadhaar card with me. I carry it always. Then some random cards, Reliance, Star Mark, Apollo Pharmacy, pantaloons, all those jazz. Wallet, and the last thing I can see in my bag is the Kindle. I always carry my Kindle with me because I like to read. I am a bibliophile, so I am always reading on the go. I don't want to waste my time not reading, so I always read a book. I just finished the book Me Before You, and if you guys haven't read it, just read it. It is like, I am a sucker for romance and happy endings, so by the end of it I was like, why did it end like this? You have to read it. Give it a go. I always carry my Kindle. It is handy. I have loads of my favorite books in here and it's nice. So yeah, I have everything. That was everything I had in my bag. Of course, on your college days you are gonna carry your notebook and your other college reading study material and anything. I don't have it right now in my bag, but of course you're gonna carry it. Duh. So yeah, that was all I had to let you know about the college essentials you need in your backpack. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, do like and subscribe to my channel. And I also did a college essentials what you need to know video. It's linked in the cards and also in the description box below. Go and check it out. It would help you with loads of things you need to know before you enter college. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are gonna have a great college life ahead. College is gonna change you as a person, for better or for worse. That's for you to decide what you want college to do to you. And if you have any other requests or video suggestions, do leave them in the comment section below or on any of the social media links given down below. I would try and get back to you on the other videos of the life talks session of mine. I hope you're enjoying your life, and till the next time, bye.